How to delete search history on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to delete all your search history on Instagram. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you have logged in into your Instagram account and then select the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile feed. Now on this section you can simply select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you get access to the settings and activity page, scroll down and select your activity. Now under this section you will see recent searches. Select it and then on this page you will see all your search history. Since we don't have anyone, if you wish to clear all your search history at once, you need to select the clear all button and then select the delete button. Once done, your all the search history on Instagram will be deleted at once.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.